Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? Let's ditch the paper and learn how to digitally sign documents in DocuSign. First, head over to DocuSign.com and log into your account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one. Once you're logged in, you'll see your DocuSign dashboard. Look for the document awaiting your signature. It will typically be labeled with something like "Needs your signature." Click on the document title to open it. You'll usually see a yellow Start tab in the upper left corner. Click on that tab to begin the signing process. DocuSign will guide you through the document, highlighting each field you need to complete. When you get to the signature field, click on it. You'll then be presented with options to either adopt and sign, where you can choose from pre-made signature styles, or draw your own signature. If you choose Adopt and Sign, select your preferred signature style and initial style. You can also customize your name if needed. Once you're happy with your chosen style, click Adopt and Sign. Your signature will now appear in the signature field. Review the rest of the document to ensure all required fields are completed. Finally, click the Finish button in the upper right corner of the screen. You may be prompted to agree to consumer disclosure before finalizing. And that's it. You've successfully signed your document using DocuSign. You'll receive a confirmation email, and the signed document will be securely stored in your DocuSign account.